Imagine this. A storm rolls in, the lights flicker, and then nothing. For most, it's an inconvenience. But what if that silence stretched not for an hour or a day, but for an entire month? Surviving 30 days off-grid isn't just about stockpiling canned goods anymore. It's about creating your own personal power station. This journey begins with generation. Solar panels are the cornerstone. They convert sunlight directly into electricity, and recent advancements have made them more efficient and affordable than ever. But you have to know your environment. If you live where the wind is a constant companion, a small turbine can become your best friend, generating power long after the sun sets. And for the lucky few with a flowing stream on their property, a micro-hydro system offers a steady, continuous source of energy. But generating power is only half the battle. Storing it is what keeps the lights on through the night. This is where batteries come in, and they've come a long way. We've moved beyond old lead-acid technology. Today, lithium-ion batteries offer higher energy density and a much longer lifespan. The future is even brighter, with emerging solid-state batteries promising even faster charging and improved safety. Yet, the unsung hero of any storage setup is the Battery Management System, or BMS. Think of it as the brain of your battery pack. It constantly monitors voltage, current, and temperature, balancing the cells to prevent damage from overcharging or deep discharging. A good BMS is the difference between a battery that lasts a decade and one that dies in a year. Now, with generation and storage handled, the real strategy begins: smart management. This requires a shift in mindset, from one of endless supply to one of mindful consumption. You can't just use power, you have to orchestrate it. This is where a home energy management system, or HEMS, comes into play. It's a central hub that analyzes your energy production and consumption in real time. It knows when your solar panels are peaking and can automatically run high-draw appliances like the washing machine. Then, when generation is low, it intelligently defers non-essential loads, prioritizing things like your refrigerator and critical lighting. This intelligence extends to the appliances themselves. An induction cooktop, for example, is nearly twice as efficient as a gas stove, heating the pan directly with minimal wasted energy. AI-powered washing machines can detect the fabric type and soil level, using the precise amount of water and electricity needed, and nothing more. So, you have the solar panels capturing sunlight, the batteries storing that energy, and a smart system managing its every use. What you've built isn't just an emergency backup, it's a closed-loop ecosystem. Powering your home for a month without the grid is no longer a prepper's fantasy. It's a comprehensive approach that blends generation, advanced storage, and intelligent efficiency. It's a blueprint for resilience, a declaration of independence, and perhaps a glimpse into the future of energy, built one home at a time.